Okay. Oh, that's quite bright. Okay, let's see who's going to win the Nathan 4071 Olive with Ferro Rod, and Striker. And grab our link there, and we will pick a comment, put it in, link in there, filter out duplicate users because there was a few of them. And gosh, where is it? Is it this? Get YouTube comments? Oh, no. Oh, gosh. Okay. We got to solve a math problem here. Try to avoid spam. Okay. And then start. And our winner is, hey, Otis 010707. Get a hold of me or I'll get a hold of you and I'll get this sent out to you. Congratulations there, Otis or Otis. Otis. And yeah, get this sent out to you again. Congrats.